Ever tried to format a Word document and suddenly everything shifts around like chaos? That's usually because of breaks. But did you know there is a big difference between a page break and a section break? Let me show you when to use each one. Welcome back to my channel. A page break simply pushes your text to the next page. So to add one, place your cursor where you want the break. Go to Insert, Page Break, or press Ctrl plus Enter. This is perfect when you are writing an essay or report and just need a clean new page. A section break is more powerful. It doesn't just move text, it lets you create a new section with its own formatting. For example, different headers and footers, switching from portrait to landscape in the same document, restarting page numbering. To add one, go to the Layout tab, select Breaks, choose Section Breaks, like Next Page or Continuous. Now you can format that section differently without messing up the rest of your document. So having done that, you can see I later changed the orientation of that section into a landscape. So the golden rule is page breaks is for simple new pages, while section breaks is for advanced formatting control. Master this and you will never lose control of any of your Word documents again. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Pro Word tips.